Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, we will see how can we create Windows-based EC2 instance. So again, the same thing. You can either search, or if we have already searched, it will show in the recently visited services. I'll just click on EC2. And click on launch instance. Give some name. So my Windows instance. Scroll down and select the Windows machine. Okay, and the free tier eligible one is selected. Looks fine. Free tier eligible type instance instead of type is selected, that is also fine. And then here we can select the key pair. In last video we have created a key pair, so we can select that, or we can create new. If you don't know how to create a new one, in the previous video I have explained how can we create the EC2 the key pair, which is nothing but it is a combination. It is having the private key so that we can connect to the EC2 instance. Okay, network setting is fine. Create security group is also fine. And I am this one we need the RDP traffic from anywhere. This is a wildcard entry from any IP. We need it because we want to connect to the remote server, right? This Windows based server, so we need this. Okay, this looks fine. Configuration looks fine. Advanced details also no changes at all. So launch the instance. So instance is launched. Let's click on that instance. Okay, it is showing pending. Let's refresh. So the instance is up. We can click on instance ID. Now the instance is up, and we can see the public IP, private IP, etc. All information is there. And now we want to connect it to this Windows based server. So click on connect. And here what we want is, we want to, since we have allowed that protocol through RDP, so we want to connect through RDP client. So it says download remote desktop file. So let's download this. Okay, we have downloaded. Okay, after that let's open that that client which we have just downloaded. To click on this RDP client. Okay, let's connect. So it is trying to connect, and it is asking for administrator. It is asking password. So user info, if you see, this is already as administrator, but it is asking for password. How do we get the password? It says get password. Click on get password. And it is asking for the key which we have already downloaded in the previous video, that the EC2 key pair, right? So we need to upload the private key. So what I have done, I have just opened that PEM file. Here is that PEM file, right? The private key, and just copy this private key and paste it here and decrypt the password. I just got this password. Just copy this password and go to the RDP client, and here we can input the password. So we can see the power of cloud services. Within just a few clicks, we have created a new Windows based server, and then it will be just it, will be just up in few more seconds. Yeah, we can see that Windows based EC2 instance is ready to use. So that's it in this video. Thank you so much for watching.